Want to know how to improve your credit score and have freedom and peace of mind without struggling with unfair interest rates and paying more as a result of your credit? When it comes to credit repair, what do you think the biggest challenge people face? One of the biggest challenges people have with credit repair specialists is finding a specialist who understands their situation and will work to improve their credit score. This is challenging because some people ignore their poor credit score and won't hire someone to help them fix this issue. Why should you care? Well, first, you want to achieve your goals, whether that be purchase a new home, a new car, or starting your own business. Are you the type of person who wants to enjoy the freedom that comes with having a higher credit score? Perfect. You're in the right place. So, let's make this easy. Here are 3 tips that help you to know where to get affordable credit repair counseling. 1. Mastering your credit can assist you and your family for generations. This is important because you will learn how to build financially for your future. 2. You will benefit from this the most if you are open-minded and focused on getting a handle on your credit. Now you should be ready to call and speak with one of our professionals. 3. Paying more for the items you want because of bad credit will not improve unless you take action. Are you looking for assistance in getting a handle on your credit? You are in control of your financial outlook. Contact one of our specialists today. Learning what is on your credit report can assist in fixing your credit. You cannot fix your credit unless you know what is affecting your score. This will help you significantly if you're eager to have your credit repaired. Your next step is to contact one of our specialists so we can assist in fixing your credit. Now you understand why credit repair is so important. There's no reason to keep struggling with unfair interest rates and paying more as a result of your credit. Are you ready to know where to get affordable credit repair counseling? Ready to get help from a credit repair specialist? For a free quote or consultation, call us at 443-429-1462 or visit us online at woodlawncredit.fasttaxprofessionals.com.